Hello everyone, my name is Ezekiel, King Ezekiel, and I'm sure why you're here is because you're curious about the AI SEO. AI SEO, like what's happening, what's it about? Now your business is invisible to AI. People ask AI questions now. Like people have gone from Google search to asking AI and they trust the answers that AI give them. From ChatGPT to Gemini to Claude to DeepSeek to Kimi to Grok and many more, many more. People trust AI to give them the right answers. So people have gone from Google search to AI. Even on Google search, Google also displays some answers, but most of the times they don't want to display answers because they don't want to show partiality. People run Google ads, but for AI, it's not like that. AI wants to display the right answers. Now, let me give an example. Yeah. So, if you have someone that sells quality gele, yeah, or quality wares, let me just say quality wares in general, that you can beat your chest anywhere to say, okay, this person sells quality wares. Now, what do you do when someone comes to you and says, "Oh, I want to buy quality wares and I don't know where to go?" Because you already have someone that you trust 100%, you will refer the person. Now, most of the times when people refer like that, it's mainly because they want to show standard. You understand? Like, I know this person and I trust this person. So when the person that they refer finally buys the quality material or the quality wear, he or she will come back to say, "Wow, so this is what you've been enjoying since," or something like that. Or "Wow, like you referred me to that quality, uh, to that person that sells quality wares." So it sort of like gives you this credibility. So next time when I want to buy something, I come to you because you are, like, obviously you referred me one time and it was quality. Now I'll come to you again because the last time you didn't disappoint. So AI doesn't search like humans. AI reads content and gives answers. You understand? So AI doesn't truly know what quality is because it has not tried out the way. How it knows is based on number one, reviews, number two, based on how you position yourself. Based on how you position yourself. So it reads the pages, it reads the blogs, and it reads the content. So how do you position yourself? That's what AI sees. So when a ChatGPT refers someone to a business, it's not because it likes the business. It doesn't have feelings enough to like the business, but it is because it is trying to position itself as someone that you can trust to come later again to ask for um direction, to ask for like recommendation. So it keeps people coming back because, hey, like I said, someone has already referred you to a place where you got quality wares. When you want to buy quality shoes, what will you do? You go back to that person like, hey, I want to buy quality shoes this time. So that's how ChatGPT is trying to position itself. That's how Gemini is trying to position itself. Now, how can you position your business in such a way that ChatGPT will know that, okay, this is where people can get quality this is where people can get that. That is where this comes in. LLMS.txt. LLMS.txt. Now, before that, you need to make your site AI friendly. clear pages, structured context, simple explanation, helpful answers. So if your site is shaky, it doesn't have a strong message like we sell quality wares in Nigeria with reviews, and AI will definitely not see that because you do not display that. So on your site, all you display is product. You do not display purpose, you do not display review and all those things. AI would not see that because you did not display it. And also you need sitemap, you need fast loading sites, you need your site needs to be mobile friendly, and you need a structure clean structure. Can you see that? Clean structure. So your site is properly arranged. So the bold and big text, like that's the title, the headline. Then you have the sub headline, you have the body, and all of them follow a particular what structure. Now, for WordPress users, you can use Rank Math SEO or Yoast SEO. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to add this LLMS.txt. So go to plugins and click add new. Plugins, add new. So after doing that, scroll down and search for Math SEO. Math SEO. Can you see it? Then click install. Alright, my WordPress version is too old for Yoast. Then click activate. So I hope you've signed into your WordPress. It is your domain name /wp-admin. So I'll also show how you can do it as for those people who do not use WordPress and they created their sites by themselves using codes. Alright, so enable usage tracking. Connect your account. So you can log in with Facebook, Google, or WordPress. Since we already use WordPress, let's just use WordPress. Tick WordPress. So here, provide your WordPress username and password and click login. Alright, so um I ended up using Gmail instead of WordPress. So click OK, activate now. So it will bring you to this place. Use advanced. So if you click advanced, that means you want to be in control. You want to have more control over like the options. But easy is easier because you're new to this. So just click start wizard. So it's easy. You don't have to do the heavy lifting. Now, for those who use Yoast SEO, you can import data, but you don't have to import it. You can just keep for now. So the King Ezekiel is you can use small business site, other personal website, or personal portfolio. You understand? But I can say small business site. I think that's cool. So they will ask, you can search business type, you can search. So this is it. This is it. You can also upload your logo, but this one might give you some issues because of the size. You understand what I'm saying? Because of the size. They say it must be 112 by 112. So if you have that, upload it. So if you do not have that, you can go to Google and search for resize image. So you can use this or this to resize the image, then use the particular size that you want. But for now, we'll just save and continue. So it says connect Google service. So you can skip step or you can do that. So if you have Google services, you can do that. I'm talking about Google Analytics, Google Console. If you have that, you can connect Google services. So click connect Google services. All right. So I have analytics. Um, yep. I think this is the new one. All right. So let me confuse you with all this. So you can just skip step. Let me just click save and continue. All right. So return to, yeah, enable auto update. Return to dashboard. Now the main thing we want to do is to what? Add or enable LLMS text. LLMS text. So how we can do that is we automatically, because we said go to dashboard, we are already here on the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. You understand? So if you're not on the dashboard, you can click dashboard just to ensure that you're on the dashboard. Now this is the dashboard. So if you check through the dashboard, you're going to see a lot of things, and you can also pay for the pro version. So you see sitemap is on, like I said, SEO analyzer is on, Google web stories is actually off. We don't need that for now. There's podcast, there's this, there's that, there's so many things. But what we need is this LLMS.txt. So you toggle it. So can you see? Now it is on. Now let's go to settings so that we can see what it's about. So it says your LLMS.txt file is available here. So we are going to click it to check it out. So can you see it has all of the information, which is actually very nice. So there's also robots.txt. You understand? There's also robot.txt. There's LLMS.txt, which is the most important one. Now, automatically, it has already done that for you. But for those who do not have WordPress, or you do not use WordPress, you use maybe HTML or whatever you use. Now, take the link to your site, go to Claude, and say something like, paste your website there, the link to your website. Sorry, Weekend Ezekiel Academy. Go to Claude, paste it, and say, do a deep dive. Let me zoom in so you'll be able to see it better. Do a deep dive into my site. It's as simple as this, and draft a full LLMS.txt. Can you see this? Very, very easy. Now, in case you were wondering how Claude can actually dive into your site, you don't have to wonder that Claude is like a super computer. It's even better than that. So can you see this? It will draft it out for you, clean and easy. So just give it a moment. This could take about 2 to 5 minutes. All right, so I'm not going to show you my LLMS.txt, but this is it. You download it and add it to your site. So it is that simple. It is that simple. So once again, this is King Ezekiel, and I'm here to make life very, very, very easy for you. So you can check out the King Ezekiel Academy. You'll be able to see lots of incredible things like this information marketing course. So this information marketing course teaches you how to sell, how to create, sell courses online. So there are other courses like that, TikTok ads, transition video course. So the courses range from about 2,500 to over 25,000 depending on the one you want to buy. All right, see you in class.